Hi everyone, today we're going to make Mr. Hoppity. To start, you'll open your kit and find this tube, this piece for the head, two of these for feet, two eyeballs, one paintbrush, and a thing of green paint. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is paint all the cardboard pieces green. Once you're done painting, you will need to set it to the side to let it dry. Then we can be able to glue all the pieces on. Now that it's dry, we can go through and grab our glue and start with attaching the feet. Put a little bead of glue along the bottom rim, then grab your feet and place them against the glue. Now we are done attaching the feet, and it's time to glue on the head. Once you've finished attaching the head, now let's put on the eyes. Just one bead of glue on each, and then place it where you would like. Now that we've finished gluing, let's start drawing the rest of the face. Using a black marker, let's put two lines for the nose, kind of angled, and then the mouth however you would like for it to look. I'm going to make mine smile. Now we're done. I hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye.